Question number 2. Represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. First part of the question is the area of a rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So here condition is given, length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So first part of the question is, we consider here, let me consider here breadth is x meter, so length is 2x plus 1 meter, because it is given in the question the length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So and area of the plot is 528 meter square. So according to question, length into breadth is equal to 528, that is area. So here 2x plus 1 multiplied by x is equal to 528. So 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Second part of the question is the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Integers are positive. So we consider here integers. Let first integer is x. Second integer is x plus 1. Since integers are consecutive, so next integer we will get x plus 1. According to question, product of this integer is 306. So x multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x square plus x minus 306. 306 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Third part of the question is Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years, 3 years from now, it will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So let present age of Rohan is x years. Therefore present age of his mother is x plus 26 years. After 3 years, age of Rohan will be x plus 3 years and age of his mother will be x plus 26. His mother's present age is x plus 26. So after 3 years, her age will be x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29 years. So according to question, the product of their ages is 360. So x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 29 is equal to 360. So when we multiply x with x plus 29, then 3 multiplied with x plus 29 is equal to 360. So x square plus 29x plus 3x, 3 multiplied by 29 is 87 minus 360 is equal to 0, or x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Fourth part of the question is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So we consider here, let the speed of the train is equal to x km per hour. Here distance is given. Distance is equal to 480 km. So time is equal to distance upon speed. So in first case, distance is 480 km and speed is x km per hour. Now the condition given is if the speed had been 8 km per hour less. So if speed is equal to x minus 8 km per hour, in this equation, in this situation, time is t1. So speed is less. So in second case, time t2 is equal to 480. Distance is same. So 480 upon x minus 8. Now here speed is less, so time will be more. So T2 is equal to T1 plus this difference is 3 hours. So T2 is equal to T1 plus 3, that is 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 480 upon x plus 3. Remember, where speed is less, time will be greater. So T2 is greater than T1. So we write here T2 is equal to T1 plus 3 because difference given is 3 hours. So now solve this by taking LCM. 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 480 plus 3x is upon x. On cross multiplication, 480x is equal to x minus 8 multiplied by 480 plus 3x. On solving this, we get 480x is equal to 480x plus 3x square minus 8 multiplied by 480 and 3x. We get 3840 minus 24x. 480 and 480 cancelled. It is 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0.